Kwingineko ni kwamba mbuga ya wanyama maarufu duniani ya Maasai Mara iko karibu kufa, huku kukiwa na hofu kwamba mazingira asili yanaweza kuwa historia katika miaka 10 ijayo. Kwa mujibu wa Wizara ya Wanyamapori na Utalii, malisho ya wanyamapori na mtiririko wa maji katika hifadhi hiyo ilikuwa ikipungua kutokana na shughuli za binadamu na kuongezeka kwa idadi ya wanyama na binadamu. Haya yanajiri huku ikibainika kuwa idadi ya njia za uhamiaji katika bustani hiyo zimepungua kutoka 4 za historia hadi 1 na kusababisha mzozo wa nafasi kwa wageni. Kulingana na Katibu wa Utalii Hatma, Maasai Mara ni mojawapo ya mbuga zilizotembelewa zaidi katika kaunti hiyo, ikizalisha mabilioni kwa hazina.
More or less, migration depends. Why does migration take place? Migration takes place because the wildlife moves from one side to the other in search of food. Basically, their food is basically habitation, which is there. So they move across. So when you deplete, the habitation on the other side, so there's no reason for them to move. Or when the river dries, as a result, So we are not currently losing, but we are in the face. And Maasai Mara has been researched for the last 70 years. There is a very big red alert on Maasai Mara.
Do not want to do actions out there to try and save or keep our animals without basing it on science. So what we have been doing before was that there was a small unit within Kenya Wildlife Service that used to inform us about the science behind management plans. But now with the Wildlife Research and Training Institute, we will now have a bigger platform for them to be able to come and tell us, this area, there's drought in an area. Because drought is not the only thing. Like now I talked about overpopulation. If you have overpopulation in an area, then you'll have a problem because the ecosystem is affected. But because we have science now behind what we do, we'll be able to manage those spaces,
consolidate all the research that has been done. Some tracking on elephants have been done. We know they cross the border. Some tracking, satellite tracking for wildebeest has been done. We want to now document where are these corridors so that when they are planning to do fencing, when you are planning to do agriculture, you use science. We'll say this is a corridor.